Hey, it's Frank here with 4D Honeybee. Sorry, I got to do a quick voiceover of this sporadic video here. I'm in my car driving to the bee yard because I dropped off my kid at a horse farm nearby. So I just did a quick drive-by of the bees because I haven't seen them for a week. The weather's been nasty, and I wanted to give them some time to work without me. And I did a quick drive-by, and sure enough, one hive is toppled over. It's destroyed, very obviously by a bear. So I hauled it out of there and headed back home because I didn't have any of my gear. I headed back home, grabbed my truck, grabbed my gear, headed back to the hive to try and see what can be saved. So this is the video of me trying to get that hive back together and trying to see if there's a queen still alive and if there's anything that we can do to save these bees. So it's an unfortunate video, but it does happen, and I kind of half suspected that it would be a problem in this neck of the woods because there are bears. So let's see if we can fix it. So all I can really think of doing is putting the box together, putting the frames together, seeing if I can find a queen. Okay, here's a little bundle of bees right here. I wonder if they could possibly be huddled around a queen. They're probably just keeping warm. Okay, stay there, guys. I'll be with you in a sec. Okay, yeah, I mean, this had to be a bear because this cinder block is actually turned over too. Okay. Bottom boxes, oh my gosh, look at that. Bottom boxes busted right up. Okay. Let's see if we can get a temporary repair done here. Yeah, definitely I'm saying it's a bear. Okay, move over, bees. Come on, bees. Just move over a wee bit. I'll take care of you, I promise. I mean, it's going to be such a small group of bees that survives. Right now, I don't know if the right thing is to put this hive back together or to just put them in with the other bees at the other hive. Don't know. Let's put it all back together and see what we get. Okay, brood frames are over here, minus all the brood, of course. But let's see if I can find a queen. It's just such a shame. Yeah, they've suffered, and they have, see, those are all bees that have frozen to death. So let's get them back in, and we'll have a look for the queen. I haven't seen her yet, obviously. A few bees bundled up here. No, I don't see the queen at all. It looks like all but one frame are salvageable. Such a shame. Holy smokes. You can tell what was on this frame. Well, there's brood. Pollen. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, Mostly dead bees is what we got. There's a few bees alive. Let's get rid of the dead ones. Can't see that being any good. Put the live ones back in. Okay, here's a good number of bees. Just working anything they can, hey? They're just trying desperately to grab any bit of honey they got left. Okay. Okay, so there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frames that I can even find. Where are the other frames? Oh, man. Oh, yeah, look at that. That isn't a bear paw mark. Look at that right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. Gosh. Oh, well. I knew bear was a possibility up here. I think I've already mentioned that I had the camera on for about a month, but I didn't see anything. But naturally, these guys were in here. Thank goodness they didn't touch the off-road hive. I got a ratchet strap. I'll strap that one down, and I will strap this one down too. I'll have to go home and get another strap. Okay, bees, you're going in. Get ready. Let's see if I can find the queen here. No queen that I can see, but let's get these guys back in the hive. Well, look, all these bees here have all died stinging that bear. You see their stingers out? I think that's what that is. Anyway, let's keep going here. Okay, guys, get back in your hive. I'm gonna fix it up. Let's get rid of the dead bees. That paw print is just too funny. Get in there, buddy. Come on. We need every single bee. Okay, now there's a bundle of bees right down here. You see that? These guys look like they're kind of in a stasis, you know? They're not dead. They're just not moving. And I see that a lot when bees are cold. So let's get these guys back in that hive, shall we? Man, these guys are so lethargic. They just literally look like death. Come on, guys. You are not gonna die. We're gonna fix you right up. And I'll just have a look for the queen here. I will literally pick up every single bee and put them back in that hive. Just hoping against hope to see a queen, but that ain't happening. Okay, I'm going to stop for a bit and just go see if I can find the 4 frames that are missing. Seeing another frame here. Oh, and they were drawing it out so nicely. Okay. Wow, it's nicely drawn out. But you can see wherever they put in nectar, Yogi had his feast. Such a shame. Well, I'm following, I see a nice trail going in through here. See that? So I'll follow that, see if I can find more frames. And the thing is too, bears will always come back. Once they know there's a food source, they're gonna come back to it. So my only solution is to quickly get an electric fence going. That's gonna be the only chance these guys have. See if we see any tracks here. There's some track there, right there. So I'm looking for bear track to try to find where my other frames have gone. I came across this nice turkey track. Look at this fresh turkey track. Probably from today. So we got a lot of rain today. And there it goes. Right on up here. My question is, why doesn't the bear go after the turkey and not my bees? So I never found 2 frames. I think the bear took them home for a snack. This hive looks so good. Look at this. Here, just jammed. Almost looks like I need to remove that entrance reducer. I didn't find the queen. I did not find the body of the queen. And I'm just debating right now whether I should take frames from that hive and put them over here, or leave this hive, at least for the night. I'll ratchet them both up for sure. But if a bear really wants to get at these hives with a ratchet strap or not, he's going to destroy them. You saw him take apart the front of this hive. So the only thing that will possibly save these hives is an electric fence. So that's what we got to look at. But I think what I'm going to do is, I don't think I want to sacrifice that hive because it's just at the stage of exploding. And I think 2 weak hives is not as good as 1 strong one and 1 dead one. I can always make more from that hive. So I will finish putting this back together. There are a few more bees down here that are alive that I can grab and put back in. I'll ratchet them both up, and then I'll get my camera going. You see, the shame of this is I've got a camera on it. You can actually see the trail the bear took in here. He came right in through here. He checked out the camera, came in through here. He actually opened up my my smoker box. So that's soaked and ruined too. And then he finally went at the hive. And I think probably the only reason why this one survived is because these guys gave him a hard time. Hard enough that he decided against that silliness, or he just got so full he had to come back tomorrow. So